welcome to my channel. AI is becoming popular every day and it's going to be used by each department, each sector, everywhere. Now we are going to work as a business analyst in a logistics sector and see how we can use AI, how we can use SageMaker, how we can predict on-time delivery, late deliveries, and how AI will help us do our business job. There are lots of advantages of doing business predictions with AI. You are saving lots of time. You don't get lost in the data predictions generated for you, and there are many more advantages. So let's get to this demo and see how AI can help us. So here is the scenario. As a business analyst working for a company in the logistics sector, you have the following tasks. First, analyze the data we already prepared for this demo, build your first model and analyze its prediction score, and lastly, improve the accuracy of your delivery predictions. Correctly predict package delivery times for your customers with an accuracy of 80% or better. Let's analyze the data we already prepared. So we have delivery data showing only 100 samples, zip code, on-time status. Here is the value description, 42% on time and 58% delayed. We are going to use Amazon delivery dataset of 45K samples taken over the period of 3 months. Delayed means that on a specific day, at least 10 items for one truck be delayed. So here is our model accuracy result. The reason that it's low is because the only feature we have is US zip code. Because that's the only data we have, we need to improve. If we have more data, if we have more features, then we can get more accurate. So we can start improving the results by adding more data sets and features. How we can improve the data set? Add more properties, features, retrain the model, and if you think that 67.7% is good enough, we will work just fine. So let's add more properties and go decide what you want to add. Total items in truck. If there are more items on a truck to be delivered, it means more stops. Items available for purchase. Number of items available for purchase on Amazon. Temperature, cold, warm. Delays can cause problems with the road conditions and driver's health, which could cause delays. This will affect our prediction. Total items in truck will affect our prediction. Humidity can indicate rain. Rain causes traffic increase, which causes delays. This can also affect our predictions. So here is our new data set now, and let's go and retrain our model. Each additional property or feature you add to the dataset has feature importance percentage. In our case, total items in the truck has the biggest feature importance. To get the most value of our dataset and build more accurate models, you can hire data scientists or machine learning engineers to perform feature engineering. Retraining the model. Each additional property or feature you add to dataset has feature importance percentage. In our case, total items in the truck has the biggest feature importance. Just by selecting total items in truck property, the prediction score of the model will go up because it has the highest feature importance percentage. For example, if we have humidity, think of a real world. If you decide to deliver 3 more items, you will probably be late regardless of the air humidity. When your dataset has rows with missing values in some of the column, SageMaker automatically calculates mathematical approximations for the values to improve the accuracy of your model. This ensures that you can still get the maximum value of your dataset even if you are missing some values. By adding more features, we can see the model accuracy results are now gone up to 95.6%. We can now modify the feature values to see how they affect on-time prediction in real time. So we can see what are the cases, in which case the package will delay. So total items. Now we can optimize the items. This is showing that it's going to delay. Temperature, humidity, let's leave that for now and see if the package item is very low chance that it's going to delay. And if we add 800, that is a big chance that it's going to delay for this postcode. Let's try another one. Again, we can find the value, that optimum value that we want to add to our truck to be delivered. Let's see how much effect the temperature has now. Let's select 20, and it's not showing any difference in delays because the humidity, again, we can change that to 16. Now we can see that it's showing less percentage of delay, higher chance of on-time delivery. So it's going to be affecting, as we can see. Again, adding temperature changes a little bit of the delay percentage. It shows it's going to be affecting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow and click on thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. If you want to see more on AI, check my Udemy course in the description below, where I explain more deeper about SageMaker, how to use Amazon SageMaker, how to use that in our business cases, and there are lots of business cases as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.